In this session, I'll be explaining about CTE, that is Common Table Expressions. This got introduced in ABAP release 7.5 and helps to create datasets inside your query. Each dataset will start with the plus symbol. You have to define CTE with the keyword with. I'll be showing you how to create city-based queries using above cloud environment. I have set up the above cloud environment connected to Eclipse using the service key. If you want any support, you can write in the comment section. I can help you out setting up the cloud environment. To create a class, you can expand the favorite packages, right click, new above class, give the name of class, write like demo of CTE, click on next, choose the transport. You can create a new request or you can give an existing request number created, click on finish. It opens up the class. Now what we need to do, we need to write the query. So before that, when you are using above cloud, we need to use one interface, implement an interface, that is if OOADT class run. So interfaces if OOADT class run. Once you give the interface, you must implement the interface. In Eclipse, it gives you an option to automatically do that. Click on this yellow light, the implementation will be automatically added. You can see the implementation added. We'll be writing the query inside it. First of all, I'll be creating the city with the keyword with, and let me create a data set with cities, selecting from the table demo connection. This is the dataset I created with the plus symbol to create the dataset. With is for CTE. Now, the cities is one dataset where you can directly query it. Like you are able to query the database tables, similarly, you can also query the city datasets. You can see I am selecting data from the dataset that is created dynamically in the class itself and put those results into an internal table with host variable. This inline declaration. To print the results into the console, you can use the method write method outright, give the internal table that will be printed. Now save it, check if there are any syntax error, and you can activate this is the check option. No syntax error, click on activate. It's activated. We execute it, run as above application. Just take it, scroll outside. So this is the console where the result will be shown. These are the cities. So what we understand from here, we are able to create CTE and the record set, and we can query those record set as well and can print into the console. This is very simple and small example to understand the significance of CTE and how to write queries using CTE, and also you have experienced how to create programs using Eclipse and above cloud. This is the above cloud that has been connected using the service key from BTP. If you need any support, you can write down in the comment section. I can help you out with setting up BT account and generating service key and setting up your cloud environment. Thank you for watching.